Quite a lot number of people have been contacting me about using foreign card to top up WeChat wallet. And as a result of that, a lot of people have a lot of information about this. As regard this, I'm going to clear the hair and show you exactly what you need to know about topping up your WeChat wallet with foreign bank card, if it is possible or not. Let's find out in this video. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my WeChat app. Then having opened up my WeChat app, I will go ahead and click on the me right here. Then go to Pay and Services. Then proceed to Wallet. Then proceed to Customer Service Center. Then proceed to Consumer Protection. Then proceed to Help Center. Then here we go. Proceed to Payment Issues. Now proceed to Why can't I top up my balance right here? So click on that. Then you read the article right here. Why can't I top up my balance using an international card? An international card can only be used to make payments to merchants that support WinSimPay, but cannot be used to send red packets, transfer money, top up account, or withdraw money. That is for foreign international bank card. Now, as a foreign user, if you want to top up your WeChat wallet, so let me go ahead and go back to my wallet right here. If you want to top up your WeChat balance right here, you need to make sure that you look for foreign exchanger. So an exchanger that you can give your foreign currency or your local currency, and they will send you RMB into your WeChat balance right here. Then from here, you can easily make transfer to any WeChat account user or make payment to any WeChat account payment user using your QR code or balance transfer from contact in your WeChat contact list. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat wallet or WeChat Pay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.